Here's another little interesting example of some stop motion archaeology. I'm going to play this scene and we'll see if you notice it. Well, did you notice it? I mean, it's okay if you didn't. I mean, it is literally like a blink and you'll miss it. Even if you don't blink, you'll probably still miss it. Okay, I'm gonna walk you through what's going on here. So I'm just gonna skip forward a bit because there's quite a few frames involved. We're gonna get right up to the frame in question here. So between here and here, Ross's position changes quite drastically. Okay, that's fine, but then, boom, he's straight back up. Ba-bum, 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 ba-bum. Okay, so what's going on here? Okay, now you could be forgiven for thinking, well, obviously what's happened here is that they've put one of the frames out of sequence, because this is obviously from when he falls down later in the scene. Well, that's an interesting theory. Let's have a look. Okay, well, no, because have a look at Bill over here, right? During this segment, when Ross is taking a tumble, Bill is face palming over here, whereas back here at the oops, I went too far, apologies. Here, right, Bill is not face palming. If anything, Bill's motion is in keeping with the sequence. In fact, you can see here, very next frame, everything else is not moved. Bill's not moved, Docker's not moved, it's just Ross. So what's happened here? Ross's puppet fell down on this frame, and they picked him back up again for the following frame. But then evidently, in the edit, nobody noticed that on this frame he had fallen down, or nobody thought to redo that frame. I don't know, I'm not sure which is which. I'm thinking it's a matter of, well, to be fair, there are thousands, there are, well, roughly 17,000 frames in this episode, so to be fair, I can understand if it's a case, it's an error in the edit. You know, like someone just didn't check this particular frame and just bung it all together, and you know, this is the result. Still, that's pretty funny.